Hey everyone, welcome back to the another beautiful video from Australia. We started our day by diving in the natural pool made from the sea, but the water was so cold and we decided to wait outside and let Nikhil go and explore the nature.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा ये बहुत ही slippery है।
Papa, is it sticky? Papa, is it?
How deep is it?
Oh my!
It was freezing cold.
पानी बहुत ठंडा है। मछलियाँ नीचे।
मछलियाँ हैं? यहाँ से देखो, ऊपर से देखो। The clear water.
That's sticky water. See, sticky water.
Sticky water. So after the long drive, we finally reached Bombo Headland Geological Site, and the view was very beautiful. The rock formation and everything was so nice and mesmerizing. It was worth going there.
पानी का वो देख कागज है ठंडा वो पानी not liking it.
Does not? This place is absolutely incredible. The rock formations are really nice, and if you love to click pictures, this place is a heaven. You'll get amazing pictures here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.